Welcome to Project Anonymous.
I hope you're having a fantastically great day.
Today we're going to make a custom rustic art sign.
Rustic?
Art?
Panel?
Panel?
Wood panel? Picture thing?
We're going to make this. So stick around. Have a look.
To start, we're going to make a sketch using SketchUp.
Now that we have our plan, we're going to use...
What's our plan?
Now that we have our plan, we're going to start cutting up some wood to match our planned dimensions. First, safety gear. Alright, now we got all of our pieces cut, but they can use some sanding, and then we got...
You need help with the sanding job?
Yes, of course. And then we have to glue and nail them down in their appropriate spot, and then we can laser engrave them. First, let's go to the garage
And sand?
and get these sanded and prepped. Alright, that looks like the right layout, right?
Yeah.
Now, with
I'm
an
hovering over you. Just
1/8-inch gap in between all the pieces. Should be good, but I need an 1/8-inch spacer. best way to do this?
Engrave it first, probably.
Do you think engrave?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Just not sure if we should stain it first or engrave it first.
I think we should engrave.
You think we should engrave first?
But you're the wood person,
Okay.
the woodworker, the carpenter.
Right.
Not me.
Well, let's engrave it then. Get
So
the engraver set up.
you listen to the newbie.
I'll listen to you. One. All right, so we got to get this laser set up. And what I'm using is an Eleksmaker, I don't know, 1500 watt, milliwatt, whatever laser, just a surface wood
Expensive.
engraver.
About.
It wasn't that expensive. But I need to center it because that's going to be my set point when we engrave the whole thing, and I don't want it to be off to a side. The whole piece here is 18 inches if you remember from our measurements. So, Megan, what's 18 divided by 2?
9.
9 inches. And look at that, laser is right on 9 inches on that side. And then we know this is our center piece, and it is 3 inches wide. So what's 3 divided by 2?
1.5.
1.5, and look at that. You see the laser is right on 1.5. You see it? Put the picture up. Yeah, it's right there on 1.5. So we are centered. I've already checked to make sure that we're parallel across so that we're not going to be all wonky when we do it. And now I just need to focus the laser here. Pretty focused right there. And then we're going to see how big do we want to make this thing. Yeah, I'm just using the software that came with the laser. It's called Eleksmaker Evolution Desktop version 3.1. And it's not the best, but it's pretty easy to use. You basically just pick a picture to carve.
Hey guys, what is up? It is the next day, and it took like all day to make it, so we're going to be staining it today. So how about we show the finished product?
Turned out pretty good. So I think the next thing we need to do before we stain is try to fill in some of these nail holes.
Yeah.
With some filler, and then we can stain this nice dark color. Cool.
It looks
Turned
so
out really
cool.
good, huh?
Oh my God.
All right, let's go get that filler.
So we just got done doing the wood filler. So I believe we're just gonna start sanding it. So this is what it looks like. But yeah.
Okay, so we're going to use this Rust-Oleum gel stain, stuff dark walnut. I like using this stuff mainly because it goes on pretty evenly, and with one coat, so it's real nice. And then we can put some kind of protectant on it after that. But we need gloves because this stuff is messy and it will stain your hands. Let's go do that.
Remember, don't wear shirts that you like wearing. Wear things you're okay with getting rid of. This is my dad's shirt and it has a bunch of stains on it, so.
Okay, good. Keep it on the board. Okay. The cool thing is, we do all of it. So you can go right over that.
I feel like this side will be a little bit easier, but harder at the same time.
All right, moment of truth. You gonna hold it up for the camera?
So now the stain has dried.
So we're going to go ahead and put 2 coats of some wipe-on polyurethane. Open that. I'll let you do all the wiping on.
Am I doing it?
To hold it for you. Okay, so we're going to put a large amount. And wipe it on. Now that we put polyurethane on the front and back, we're going to go ahead and put the hangers on the back with these little sawtooth hangers. First we need to pre-drill. We're going to put some little furniture felt pads on the bottom so it doesn't
Scrape the
leave
wood up.
stain on our wall or anything. Okay, kind. You want to use these little plastic ones?
Yeah. And this one? There's
What do you
something
think?
I'm good at.
What do you
Not
think?
really. This is so cool. Like, it looks so nice.
All right, let's see it. So that's it.
That looks so cool. So cool. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you liked it.
Or like it anyway. Subscribe,
If you enjoy our content.
or just subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so we remind every single time we upload a video. Stay crafty.
Be happy.
Bye!